approach the start-finish line in the Ferrari 4-Day Challenge, I want to brake at the second marker so I can get on top of this curb as much as possible. And same thing here. I'm now 30-40% on throttle, 100%, powering out of the corner. Now I want to also brake the second marker here, turn in super narrow so I can diamond the corner and make my exit as straight as possible so I can get the maximum amount of speed. Now I want to push all the way to the outside of this grass or this concrete and turn in early so I can get alongside the inner curb because that has the most grip. Now I power out of the corner and I want to brake where the grass and cement meet here and then turn in right there. I don't want to go out too wide because I want to set myself up for a better exit onto the long straight because that's what matters the most. I'm at 100% throttle here, going from 6th gear to 7th. I also check my oil temperature, my water temperature, and my oil pressure just to make sure everything's going well. Now on this braking point, I want to be a little bit past the third marker, 100% on brakes, turn in early so I can be able to diamond the corner once again on this last carousel. And I don't want to go out all the way here because then I won't be able to go full speed on this last left-hander. And that is one lap around Palm Beach in the Ferrari 488 Challenge.